So, one of the biggest mistakes that almost all new creators make is that the moment they upload a video, they instantly make it public. And then they start wondering why they aren't getting views. Why isn't YouTube's algorithm pushing the video? Why aren't my subscribers increasing? You start thinking maybe the video is weak, or you blame the editing, and sometimes you even doubt the thumbnail. But what's the real reason? Just one small setting. Look, YouTube works like a machine that tests videos. The moment your video goes public, YouTube shows it to a small group of people. Now, if at that moment YouTube's algorithm doesn't even get enough time to properly understand your title, thumbnail, description, and tags, your video ends up being shown to the wrong audience, the wrong people. And when those wrong people ignore the video, YouTube assumes the video is bad. And just like that, all your hard work goes to waste. I remember the first time I uploaded a video directly as public. The views came in so slowly that I thought YouTube was against me. But the truth is, YouTube wasn't against me. The mistake was mine. And in this video, I'm going to show you the right way to prepare your videos for YouTube so that the algorithm doesn't push your content to the wrong people, but instead shows it exactly to the people who actually want to watch it. And that's when you start getting more views, more subscribers, and real growth. It is easy to feel like the platform is against you when views are slow, but the reality is usually a lack of preparation. To get the growth every creator wants, the goal is to ensure the algorithm pushes content to the exact people who want to watch it. Now think about the process. You create a video, edit the video, and then design a thumbnail, but then you rush the final step. By clicking public instantly, you are actually harming your own growth because the algorithm needs time to analyze those signals. Without that lead time, the video is shown randomly. If that initial test group doesn't click or leaves after a few seconds, the video dies at a few hundred views. If this happens repeatedly, the system may even associate the entire channel with the wrong audience by slowing down long-term progress. So the solution lies in how the video is handled during the upload process. Let me explain. When you upload a video, YouTube gives you visibility options like private, unlisted, public, schedule, and premiere. Now, private means only you can see the video. You can share it with someone via email if you want. And unlisted means only people with the link can watch it. If you don't share the link, no one can see it. Then public also means the video goes live instantly for everyone. And this is where many people make a mistake. And finally, schedule. This is the best option for every YouTuber. Every big YouTuber schedules their videos before it goes live. There is an even bigger risk to hitting public too soon. Copyright. When you upload a video, YouTube runs a series of background checks to see if your content contains copyrighted music or footage. But if you make your video public instantly, you might go live with a copyright claim or even a strike without knowing it. This can lead to your video being blocked worldwide or your channel being penalized the second it hits the feed. By setting your video to unlisted first, you give YouTube's check system time to work. You'll see a progress bar in your studio dashboard. If a copyright issue is found, YouTube will notify you right then and there while the video is still hidden. This allows you to use YouTube's built-in tools to mute the song, trim out the segment, or dispute the claim before your audience ever sees it. This keeps your channel clean and ensures your launch is professional and safe. When a video is scheduled, it stays behind the scenes while the system processes the metadata and finishes those copyright checks. By the time it actually goes live, the algorithm is already prepared, the copyright is cleared, and the video is ready to be pushed to the right homepages. There is a specific strategy to making this work effectively. First, avoid scheduling a video for the same day it was filmed. Giving it 24 to 48 hours allows the system to fully digest the content and finish high-definition processing. Second, timing matters. Aim for windows when general audiences are most active, typically in the early morning or early evening. This approach also benefits the creator's mental health and consistency. You can upload and schedule a week's worth of content in a single afternoon. Once it's set, the system handles the rest, allowing you to focus on the next project rather than hovering over the publish button. If you want to see more of these strategies to help your channel grow from zero, please kindly subscribe to this and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can push to more people. Thank you. Now let's continue. Some creators get distracted by the premiere feature, But that is a tool best saved for special events like a short film or a major channel milestone. For regular uploads, standard scheduling is more effective because it focuses on natural algorithmic growth rather than temporary hype. The problem was never the video itself. It was the habit of rushing the release. Moving from direct public to scheduled transforms the upload process from a random gamble into a coordinated launch. When the algorithm receives the right signals and your copyright is clear, the views, watch time, and subscribers naturally follow. But uploading the video correctly is only half the battle. The work that happens after the video goes live is just as critical for long term success. Once your video finally goes live at its scheduled time, your job isn't over. In fact, the first 24 hours are critical. This is the window where you turn a view into a viewer and signal to the algorithm that your content is worth promoting even further. The moment the notification goes out, your primary goal is engagement. The algorithm isn't just looking at how many people clicked, it's looking at how they interacted. This starts in the comments. A common mistake is ignoring the early feedback or just hearting every comment without a word. Instead, try to reply to every single comment within that first day. When you reply, it creates a conversation, which often prompts the viewer to reply back. This doubles the comment count on your video, signaling to the system that the video is sparking a discussion. Beyond the comments, you should be looking closely at your real time analytics. Within the first few hours, YouTube will start showing you your click through rate, CTR, and average view duration. If you notice that your views are lower than usual and your CTR is dropping, don't be afraid to pivot. Many successful creators keep a backup thumbnail ready. If the first one isn't grabbing attention, swapping it out in the first 6 hours can sometimes breathe new life into a video that started off slow. Another powerful move is the pinned comment strategy. Instead of waiting for viewers to think of something to say, ask them a specific question related to the video and pin it to the top. This gives people a reason to scroll down and type, increasing the time they spend on your page. You also want to bridge the gap between your videos. Use the end screen elements effectively. Don't just let the video end, give the viewer a next step. If they just finished a video about uploading, tell them exactly which video of yours to watch next to continue their journey. If you can get a viewer to watch 2 or 3 of your videos in one sitting, the algorithm begins to see your channel as a high value destination. Finally, keep an eye on the audience retention graph as soon as it becomes available. Look for the dips where people are clicking away. This is the most honest feedback you will ever get. It tells you exactly where you became boring or where the pacing slowed down. Take those notes and apply them to the next video you're currently editing. Growth on YouTube isn't about one viral hit, it's about managing the momentum of every single upload. When you treat the first 24 hours as an active work window rather than a passive waiting period, you stop leaving your success up to chance. Okay, so that's all for today. If you found this helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel for more YouTube growth tips on how to master the platform. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.